Nestle wants you to grab one pack. Those two drivers done grab like 3 packs of water, boy. Man, they are being too greedy out here for truck drivers. I know it's hard out here for truck drivers, but goodness gracious. Man, at least something for the truck drivers, man. For real, for real. Holy smokes. Jesus. But he already put 2 up in there already. But look at that. He got like 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, he racking up. Golly, boy, you talking about being greedy. Man. Got a sign out there say take 1. But these truck drivers taking 4. Man. The other guy took 3. Let's see what he about to go get. Okay. Nice. Oh, I'm on a trip. He took 1. Very, very considerate guy right there. Yeah, I took myself 1. But man. Oh shit, my bad, camera. Yeah, I took myself 1, but let's see if he might go back and go get another case of water. Oh, okay. He took 1. That's very nice, being considered to other truck drivers out here. That's very nice. Other truck drivers, you know, out here, you know. It's a hot day today. It's like up in the 90s. And Nestle is giving out water for the truck drivers. But you do have some truck drivers out here grabbing 3, 4 or more. Man, you talking about just being greedy, boy. I know it's hard. I know it's hard out here, boy, for truck drivers, but damn. Jesus. Alright, guys. I figured I'd make this video. Show how some truck drivers are very, not too greedy. And some truck drivers just don't give a damn. They just take the whole damn pallet of water if they could. Alright guys, peace out. Well, this guy here racking up, boy. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Golly, boy, these truck drivers not playing, boy. They are like being selfish. How can he see? That's crazy. Alright guys, peace out. Selfish truck drivers, man.